How to fix Valorant Voice Chat not working. Here's what you want to do. Open up your computer, search for sound settings first. Click on this option. Now right here, make sure neither of those are set to 0. So here, make sure it is set to a valid volume. And also where it says input, you want to pay attention to your microphone name, the one that you want to use, because we will use this in a little bit. And make sure that neither of those are set to 0. Alright, so once you have checked this, the second thing that we can do is go into Valorant directly. I'm gonna wait a little bit here for it to show up. And once Valorant pops up, you want to click on the gear icon here and then go into settings. Now once you go into settings, you will go into audio and you want to choose voice chat. Now for the output device, you can leave this as default, or if you're sure what your output device is, this basically means what lets you listen to the sounds, you can choose it here, for example the headphones. And this is the most important part, input device. You want to click on default system sounds and you want to choose the microphone which you use and which we previously viewed and I told you to remember. So right here for me it's going to be the GXT256 microphone, so you just want to click on that and that should fix it. Also make sure that neither of those are set to a low amount. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.